If it's your first time watching this tutorial, then you're welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling. Once up, it's a premium platform where we share premium digital skills and a lot more. So in our previous tutorial, I showed you how you could access your word processing application, which is obviously Microsoft Word, without using its icon like a technician, a professional. But today I'm going to show you how you can access your spreadsheet program, that is Microsoft Excel, without having any icon on its desktop, and you are going to use but secret codes to access that application. If you are ready for that, I would like you to like this tutorial, keep a comment and share as well in order to empower others in the nooks and crannies. So let's dive straight away to the practical part of this tutorial. I'm sure you know this interface. Some of you have good mastery of this interface. Okay, yes, but I'm sure you may don't know how to access it technically as well. So if you have difficulties in anything you want us to dwell on, you can keep a comment and I will upload a new tutorial from that. So this is an awesome program. I equally train in digital skills, and equally I'm a brand identity designer. I help a lot of people to enhance their social media platforms. So if you have any difficulty as well, I'm going to place our contact in the descriptive part and links of other tutorials that are going to help you as well in this practical part of this tutorial. So let's dive straight away to this practical part of this tutorial. So what we are going to do, we will press simultaneously the Windows key and the R key. It's going to bring us to the run prompt. So this is the run prompt here, the run prompt. Yeah, you can displace it as well. So I'll keep it here. And now where you see the cursor blinking, I will just type these secret codes, the secret character, Excel. You can as well type it in uppercase or in lowercase. In our previous tutorial, I showed you how to access Microsoft Word. So today I'm going to show you how to access Excel. So you just type Excel and you press enter key on the keyboard, or you click on OK. So you just have to be patient, it loads. So this is the interface of your Microsoft Excel. You just click on the blank workbook, you maximize it and you start working, and you start entering data. So if you need more of my tutorials, don't forget to like, share and keep a comment. See you in my next tutorial. In my next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can access Microsoft Access, which is a powerful database application. So see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget to like,